Shit. Yeah, it's better. It's better. See, there's the sink. And here's everything we need. A little bit of that water I showed you earlier, like before it turns into our toilet. We get a drink and use the fresh stuff, so that's cool. I got this premium white meat, great value chicken. That's good. This I found, that's good. Some of these, I don't like this Panda signature noodles, and some Doritos Cool Ranch. Yummy. This is going to be our spread, our little casserole, and this is how we're going to make it. Oh, so while you're living in one of these and you're in your new cell/home, you got to do like, you know, any good inmate would do. Get you one of these immersion heaters. And pretty much all this is a heating element on a cord that you just plug in, and the whole thing's waterproof and food proof and shit. But you need one of these. You need an old can or one of these camp stove. Oh look, I still got that on it. I just use it for this though, so that's pretty good. Heat up some water. So let's see how that works. I gotta plug this thing in. So let's do that. And we only need a little bit, like maybe this much to soak the water, to soak the water, to soak the water. So, you need this bag. Don't like puncture it or fuck it up. Good. And that's probably going to be about, you know what? That's probably better. Yeah, that's probably better. Let's go with that. So I'm using a little bit of water here. Is that first little thing? Don't need too much. That might actually be too much. Yeah, that's way too much. I don't know. It doesn't matter. We can throw it out the door. So there's our water. Part 2. Let's heat that shit up. See that? Cooking. All right. Now you can see more of the kitchen. Let's open this up right here. And that's just for me. Can you hear this? That's the power of the old immersion heater in action. So let's get back to business. And business today is just freshen all this shit up. Crushing both these up. You don't need to crush that up. But this casserole here. You're cooking? Hear that water cook? Yeah, this is a recipe that some might be familiar with. I mean, everybody has their own take on it, but this is what you get to eat, and now you get to cook on the fly in a van. So that's pretty fun. You guys excited? This is your life. This is what you get to do. This is fun. This is your life. This is fun. This is what you get to do. And then you can, read stuff like the ingredients on this bar. Wholesomeness baked in. You can, spend a lot of time doing lots of different things. Working, not working. Man, listen to that. That's some good water heating up right there. Wouldn't you say? Not really heating up quick enough for me though. But we'll show that in a minute. Alright, check it out. Can you see the bubbling of this water? Cool. So let's pull that out. Unplug this bad boy. Let him chill there for a minute. Now I've already pre-smashed all this stuff pretty good for our casserole here. Pre-smashed it pretty good. And I like the flavor of these, ranch. Who doesn't like ranch? Come on. Come on. Oh, and you see this? This got a little bit of this water in it. Oh, this is applewood smoked. So this is going to be a better casserole than I thought. Thanks, Walmart. So bam, now we got this. Open it up. And I try to open the bags just like this. See how I did that? And really, I don't like this flavor. I've had enough of it. I'm done. I'm done chicken flavor. Might save it for something later though. Today we're going to use these two flavors. This makes it the casserole-y kind of thing. But yeah, that's what you want your, your noodles to be the consistency of. This little dusty ass shit. Same with the chips. Look at that. Look at that. A little dusty stuff. Okay. So we just do a little mix. There we go. There we go. Shake that shit all around. Starts to look something like that, like a mixture of the two things. So, then let's do this, and this got a little juice in it. That's good. That's extra flavor. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm not going to pour that into my hand, but wasn't all that much liquid in there. Yum, look, y'all jealous. Y'all jealous. Now that bag's getting heavy. Now it's getting heavy. That's good though. It's that protein. Oh, and now I can start to smell that liquid. That ranch smell. It's just coming all yeah. There we go. Looks something a little bit like that. I saved this for after. Right now I think this is good. This is still pretty hot, so I'm gonna put it on this lid so it doesn't burn my cutting board. Maybe not that little plastic tab either. Unfortunately. is just kind of fill it as best you can. I don't know, maybe I didn't have enough water because it's going to expand. But you just add it in there. Oh. I felt a little leak. Maybe I missed. I think I missed. Yeah, it's just me missing. Oh no. No, there's a little hole right there. Oh shit, there's a little hole right there. Okay. So that's the consistency of it. And instead of doing like I typically would, because of that little hole, what I'm going to do is wrap it like this. Oh shit, it's coming out. God damn, you see this shit? You see? Where's the most important thing to living in Spain? That's right, this bad boy right here. I should have had that out to begin with. I'm just so stupid. I didn't think the water already went up there, but let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. There. There we go. There it is. Now we got a cook time. This is our little oven, our little Dutch oven. And we got a cook time of, fuck man, messing me up. Okay, bam, perfect. So now that this is in the oven, we're just gonna let this sit and cook for a little bit, and then we gets to eat, and that's once we're gonna take this. Okay, sorry about the harsh lighting, but I gotta show you we're all done cooking. Everything's cooked up perfectly. Check this out. Yeah, see? There's our little real mayonnaise thing. We'll use that in a minute. But yeah, you want it to feel like that. See how you can kind of see the noodle lines? But yeah, no, that worked good. So we're gonna have to cut this open and put it on a plate. Make it look all right. There we go. There's a plate. And we'll just cut this out to keep that shape. Oh yeah, see? Uh-oh, what's this? I didn't do it too well, so some of this stuff fell out, this chicken. It didn't all get baked into the middle of that. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, just let it slide out in one kind of block, and you'll always get like this extra stuff that's falling off. It's just the nature of it. But yeah, look at that. And then for me to really finish it and make it, you know, as delicious as it can be and taste just like a casserole. Oh, I can't open this. There we go. Yeah, you get a little bit of this. And that's just gonna go right over the top. It's a little condiment, and you can like mix that in. There, now it's a casserole. Now It is a casserole. So what do you think about that? That looks pretty good, right? Should add a fork. Oh shit. Mmm. That's good. There you go though. That's how you cook in a pan. I'll get something a little safer to eat with than that. That's you know what you cook with. Home defense, all that fun stuff once you're in a van. Should be once you're in a house too. Well, maybe not to cook with. Should be a little everything, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the cleanup of the whole thing too. That's how you clean it up. If you got like a mess afterwards, you get your trash bag, and then you know whatever leftovers you had of your you know what you made, and then you just put it in this bag like this. There you go. There you go. And then you'll clean this in the sink, but you don't need to see all that. I just wanted to show you how much of that delicious casserole I'd eaten. It was so good, so good. But anyway, thanks for thanks for letting me waste your time.